Hello, my name is Samdhas. We're from Coimbatore. So we are three generations living in the same house, and this house was built in 1996. So recently, my grandfather, who's around 90 years old, his room is basically on the first floor, and we were trying to look at different options as to how we can do this in a least hassle way. The only place where this lift can be put is in the central courtyard, and this is also our informal living for our family. During our research was when we stumbled upon Nibav lifts, and we got in touch with their Chennai office, and their representative did come. He explained his idea, and we were really impressed that this lift can be installed in less than 2 days' time, and it needed no or very minimal civil work. We were actually surprised how this can be done. Then they showed us their catalog and some of their working models in other houses, and then we decided we will go with the lift. Something which is very unique about the Nibav lift and its service staff is that they are all very cordial, very easy to work with, and did not need much time or did not need much of my pushing for them to get the work done. They were very clean, they were very fast in doing their work, and we were absolutely very happy with it. My grandfather, who was 90 years old, like I said, uses this lift on a daily basis. He goes up almost 4 or 5 times each day, and the lift has not given us any problem till now. I would say it is one of the best purchases that we've done. Now we have a 4-year-old toddler in the house and a 1-month-old baby as well. So the lift is useful for transporting a lot of things up and down as well. I would recommend this lift to anyone who would want not to do much damage to their house and want to keep the civil work as minimal as possible and preserve the beauty of their house. The lifts come in various colors as well, as you'll see in the catalog, and I would say they have the best fit for any of your needs.